Not too bad. So check the trailer light lamps. There you go, sir. Yeah.
How high up here I can get.
I know, I didn't think you'd be able to, but it's looking like you're getting it all. Let me get up there, I want to see. No, I don't need the trim, I just want to see it. I cut this 3 years ago, 4 years ago maybe.
Yeah, like if you look at all the clusters that you left, like where it bees off.
Oh wow. Yeah, I did a pretty good job of the reduction, eh?
Yeah. It's actually pretty damn level.
Yeah, that looks good.
So that's why we're out here.
That's a fluffy puppy. So we're doing that other job in the area. It should take us another 2.5 hours or so, but we'll go get some lunch after this. I'm hungry. You wanna go do a walk around?
Beautiful. Let me get my shoes, I'll come out.
Okay.
Already kind of see the light, eh?
I do, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Take a look right here.
Yeah, got a nice line in there, perfect.
Not too bad, eh?
Yeah.
So we'll go walk this way.
And it keeps it all
It just looks really good.
off the building, and also it's nice to. Oh yeah, that's great. This is not gonna kill the cedars away like.
No, if anything, it's gonna help it. It's gonna let more sunlight in, and
It's gonna help it.
yeah, it's gonna help it. And then if you come over here, or look back here, we leveled that off, so it looks more uniform there.
Yeah. No, that makes a big difference right there. And I don't know if you remember, there was a big tree there, like Manitoba.
I do, yeah, I remember that. It was
And
big.
it's gone.
Yeah,
So that really makes a difference.
so nice straight line.
Yeah, perfect.
Oh, there. Then we'll go take a
And
look.
that's gonna help the cedars too.
Yeah, because I took a look on top,
Yeah.
and right where I cut, there's new shoots coming in, so
Good.
it's starting to fill in there.
Yeah, and it'll fill in, and it'll help to push the green down, right?
Yeah,
That's good.
right
That's
there.
Very nice. You cleaned up on Doug's side, yeah.
Yeah, we're doing the cleanup now.
Oh yeah, yeah, that makes a big difference.
Nice, eh?
Yeah, for sure. And it's kind of neat the way it kind of steps up too.
Yeah. Everything's perfect though, so. Happy?
Yeah, very.
Okay.
Doug, are you okay with that? You okay? Yeah. Okay, great.
Seal of approval.
Yeah. No, that makes a big difference.
Awesome.
And that'll keep them all nice and healthy, right?
Oh yeah.
That'll make
But it's gonna start filling in on the top, so you just
Yeah,
gotta
like
keep
you were
up with the
saying.
trimmings like every year or 2 years.
Yeah, you have to
Um,
make sure that they kind of stay at this point.
Yeah, every year or 2 years, and it'll start filling out really nicely. So we're just doing the cleanup now.
Okay, great. So you'll come by.